Okay, so this is the recording of the KT being given for the Ahobila project. Mm, Basically, I'm giving you the overview of the project. This project was to upload all the documents of the Ahobila temple onto this project. They were not all the documents which they were having in their temple. It's totally offline and in a very old condition and in a very poor condition, due to which they wanted those documents to be uploaded on some online thing or Google Drive or something. But uploading those documents online, it's not safe for them, due to which they have created this project. And this is currently in our server. To protect this also, they have bought one different server for themselves, which you have to deploy. You need to get in touch with Protil. That I'll come to that in the end of that, KT. So okay, so somehow this has the functionality of Excel also, where you can create a form according to your choice. You can create different columns for a document, because each document, whenever I tell that about any document, it means you're referring to a land document. Matlab, whenever you acquire any land, if you have any land, you get a proper document that this details and all. So those documents only will be uploaded in this project. uh, okay. I'll come to the dashboard later, but first of all, let's understand uh, how does this document work. Okay. Each for each document we have document type, which works as a category for this. Okay. You can add document type here. You can edit the document type. Okay, document type. Yes, it is just the type of category. Okay. This document type, we are showing the number of documents also. You can, this view document is basically this view document only. But okay, let's come to the documents page. This is the main document page, which they open more oftenly, because all the may see. Let's create one add document first of all. Mm, Add document. Acha. You create any document, you select the category which is document type for us. Already star mark is there, whatever, it's mandatory for us. So document type and the name of the document is mandatory. And document identifier ID. Before what happened, our team, the course team went there. They have only scanned all the documents properly through their scanner, and they have uploaded. They have created those documents one by one, and we were pushing them directly to our system. For that, bulk upload is already there. They have created the Excel sheet which we were uploading. Okay, the main document table is master doc data. Acha. Master doc data. These were the temp ID to correlate between Amrita's Excel sheet. What they have created one temp ID through which we're connecting to each other. But then the client told it's very hard to connect. Matlab, I want an ID which I can directly, let's say, I'll add city name, location, and date and something. So they have created one document identifier. It basically tells something. It has state, district, and taluk. Through the combination of those, this document identifier ID has been created. Okay, so yeah, both the IDs are there. Temp ID is also there. Document identifier ID is also there. All the data are there. That's why this is made as mandatory for the filtration. Whenever the client will come, he'll directly add document identifier here, and you can filter like this. For the easy filtration, he has created one document identifier ID. Okay, so this is mandatory. If you will scroll down, locker ID. Just imagine in bank you have locker, right? Similarly, they have also locker. Many lockers are there where they keep the documents according to the area, district or something. So this is also mandatory. Okay, so these fields were mandatory. Acha. This is the main. There are two steps to fill the form. One is basic document form. These many columns are will be present or not be present. It's fine. But For each document, there are other columns which may differ for each document type. That's why when you will go to document type now, there is option of add fields also. Okay, for acquisition note, let's say acquisition notice, these many input fields were separately added. Just like column, these many extra columns have added. Now to understand the system design, this main data, this basic data are going to master doc data table. Okay, and for each document type, whenever you will create any document type here, you will, whenever you will create document type, a table is been created. I'll show you in the database. See, the number of document type which I was showing, all the tables are being generated. So यहाँ पे the fields which you are adding dynamically here, add field, one by one columns are being generated in this secondary table. ठीक है? बस यही main था. That's it. So you'll create any I'll create one see for testing I'm adding for you. Uh, let's not add because he's tracking it. He remembers the number of documents in the dashboard. He's very concerned with the count which we are showing. Okay, if one also it will, if it increases one or two, he'll tell your whole project is wrong. He is very concerned about this dashboard data. Okay, add document, and then I'll edit one document so that you can understand. Okay, let's document. Currently we have removed all the documents from our server. I'll again share the link tomorrow which you will download again. Currently it's in my Google Drive 50 GB one. You will again re-download and keep it with yourself now, because we have to, until it is not deployed at their server, we have to keep those backup. Okay, let's edit the document. Edit means basic document form details are coming, then you will press next. So on the first, when we have edited the first basic document form, there are two forms separately. On submit, it has been saved into master doc data. Now whatever you will edit here, it is going to save, it is going to edit the patta document type table directly. Okay, so these many the dynamic fields are present in the document type. That's what you are looking into here. If it is upload document type, you will see the document I currently, as per the database, the document name is already present, and for each document name we are giving the document temp id one. That's why when you will see the document folder which you have 50 GB one, all the documents have the temp id written as a name. So when they have bulk uploaded all the data, we were dynamically giving the document name also as the temp id one. And from backend, because it was too heavy, we were not able to push it or upload it from this one by one. How much you will push? There are 15, more than 1500 documents. So we have kept the document name dynamically into the table from the bulk upload, and from backend in the uploads folder we will be dropping the document, we were dropping the document folder directly. मतलब बल्क अपलोड के टाइम तो हम लोग टेम्प आईडी अपलोड वो जो है ना अपलोड फाइल, when you will see that document column is there, so in that document we are directly dropping temp 101, this one, the name of the document we are giving pre, we are giving in the database, and from the backend we were pushing in the uploads folder.
मतलब वो will upload.
हाँ, we will
They will
upload.
upload, right?
No, we were uploading. As a the backend developer, I was uploading. They were sending me the files through FileZilla. We were connecting through that because it was too heavy. Then in the, from the backend on the server directly, I was coming here, and in the uploads folder, I was dropping those files.
Then the file name.
File name to pre we have given in the database. Nice temp ID.
We have given, but
They have also, they have to rename. They have already renamed all the file with temp ID. So automatically it's getting connected. Correct. Okay.
But they can upload from here also, no?
One by one, it was 1500 uploads. How they will upload?
No problem. Multiple is with time.
Name multiple. We have not given multiple selection. Client has told no multiple selection. They were we have created the project according to their choice. Whatever they have told, we have added that. Simple. Okay, so this edit,
Means now all the documents are already uploaded.
yes, all project is completed. Only thing is the deployment part which you have to finish. Once that Protil one, I'll come back to that later. Okay, so this is the view document page. Review doc is the main page. Here you see the basic data, all see. This is a view. Okay, there is a small gap here which you will see. This is the line gap. So this tells that these are the basic details. The first details which are filling in the basic document form, and in the second form which you are filling for each document type. These are the details given in the. He told to give 25 characters of length. For that we have given 25 characters limit. Other than that, it will come into the modal. Okay, these are the columns name. These are the datas. Open PDF in new tab. We wanted to see the PDF in the new tab, so we have given that button. This we have just for the UI UX. Okay, now there are few things for each document type. If I have just scrolled down, you'll see document verification, compliances, assign documents, assign advocates, document logs. I'll explain one by one. Those are present here also and in the navbar also one by one. Okay, let's come to the document verification part. Each document's verification has 4 stages: pending, approve, hold, review, or feedback. Main is approve. If it is approved, you can't edit it. Okay, and you can approve, do these things not more than 5 times. No, that feedback has not completed. No, we have not accomplished it. It's fine. So you can reviewer. This is currently in the reviewer feedback. Reviewer feedback means I think we have given the modal for everything, a message thing. You can edit those message also, and whatever who will update, it's gonna update this name also. Currently, I'm using the admin panel, admin username. Okay, so this is the main document verification. I think we have separate page also. Let's
Who else can edit this?
currently only few are there. Me, uh, main is Nateri Sri.
मतलब admin
Admin, to we are the admin.
हाँ,
No, there is nothing such thing like admin, sub admin, or only one user. But everywhere we are tracking who has created or updated
okay,
by.
that name is admin.
Yes, yes, yes.
Admin.
Oh, sorry. This project works on the permission which you can use for the K2K also. That's why I was telling you to have the take the KT. Yeah, yes. If you will create any users, na, permission is there for each functionality.
वो permission डालने के Laravel में
And it's same only, but he wanted to see for his project also. Okay. So yeah, for admin we have given the all functionality. You can see also. I think if you will edit any user, na, currently I'm admin at gmail.com, which I'm not getting here. I'm on server. I should get all the users, admin at the gmail.com. This is the admin type is there. Yes, by default we have given one type of admin, but rest of the user which you will create from the user, it will become as a user, and you can control their functionality. So yeah, functionality wise is there. Matlab, two types of users are there, admin and user. Okay. Uh, this document logs is transaction type. I'll show you. There is no logs for document verification. Now there is compliances. Compliances means the same. Let's say any document needs any action to be taken every month or uh, every quarterly. So we have that functionality also, but you can't add compliances here. Neither, yeah, you can't add the compliances because this document has not been approved. Okay, so let's take any document which has been approved where you can add the compliances.
after approved again it has become some it is changed to something else.
There was logs, it was reviewer feedback hold.
मतलब
There, I don't know what document I have. I think I've opened this one only. Huh.
हम्म, First approved.
Uh, First hold, see the date wise.
Uh,
Currently is reviewer feedback. Hold
uh,
this.
Before that is approved.
You can change the status because that error also before it was not happening,
Hmm.
but after approving now he wanted to make some changes. He- They lose the edit button. That's why we have given approved status.
Compliances.
Now I'm coming to the compliances. If this document is approved, you can add the compliances. That's why I'm opening any document which has been approved. Okay, so add compliances. Yes, see, add compliances. There are two methods to add compliances for this document. Either you can add compliances due to which you are already in the document. You don't have to select any document, but if you will come to the compliances page where you have to select the document type. If you will read this also, it's written the below filter contains XX. This indicate. अच्छा
ये मुझे नहीं पता ना।
हाँ अच्छा अच्छा okay okay fine so मतलब I think it's telling the approved thing only the below filter contains XX this indicated the number of approved documents in each stage to select the document the user needs to select document type state district village to filter and easily access means I'm talking about there are two conditions one is the document should be approved then only this count is increasing so in the agreement document type, there are 8 documents which has been approved. Select that, select the state. In this state, 8 documents are there. In this district wise also, we are showing the count. In Tiravur, there are 2 documents. Now select the village. This has 2 documents. Now you will get the document. Now there may be cases where the documents are not present. No documents. Okay. So you selected the document, you have entered the name of the compliances like needs to visit the land or there is a court. Matlab many lands have legal actions going on. It's land thing, right? So many advocates are also there. That there is advocate panel also. We'll come to that later. So compliances is there. You'll enter the name, due date, and is recurring. If is recurring means is it gonna repeat every in a specific time period? In what time period? This drop down was told by the client 1, 3, 6, 12 months. Okay. So yeah, for this jobs are present where you are getting the notification. A compliance name needs to visit for court, work on this and this. Now come to the day server. Go.
Compliance विधि मतलब क्या है उसका ये?
हाँ बता रहे हैं. So I'll show you the logic now. मतलब is recurring, right? Is recurring. So it will that job is checking at 12 o'clock midnight. Is there any compliance today which has 1 month or 3 months or 6 months of compliances? If it is yes, then it checks from this date. 1 month के बाद फिर compliances है वो jobs run करता है and it sends a notification.
बस notification.
First notification.
Then what is the use of them?
Notification.
मतलब
The client
complaint
got
को
not.
आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं. The client got notified that there is an action to be taken to the compliances. He needs to submit or uh, yes settle करना है. He needs to settle that compliances. Bas. For that I'll show you the logic here in the app. Let's see. There are one job only running I think for this one only. Yes. ठीक है ये लॉग डिलीट करता है नोटिफिकेशन सर्विस है ड्यू डेट इट चेक्स द ड्यू डेट ऑफ दैट कंप्लायंसेस सब ड्यू 30 स्टेटस अप्रूव वो थम्स अप सेटल हुआ है कि नहीं इफ इट इज नॉट सेटल्ड अपकमिंग कंप्लायंसेस फॉर ईच में डाला और ड्यू डेट का इज रिकरिंग देखता है फिर वो 1 मंथ 2 मंथ का कुछ है इसमें लॉजिक ये रहा 1 मंथ है तो कंप्लायंस ड्यू डेट में उसमें ऐड करो हाँ आफ्टर 1 मंथ automatically a new compliances is being generated after 1 3 6 we are generating new compliances itself because that has already been settled or not settled but we are generating new compliances so automatically same compliances but with new due date will be created in the compliances table for that if you are changing the server then you have to set up these jobs also. ओ बिल का एक जॉब चल रहा है
मुझे देना कुछ क्या क्या जरूरत है फिर इसमें।
नहीं बस ये लाइन कॉपी करके रख लो कहीं पे if something happened or not वैसे it's same jobs command for all the other projects only बस शेड्यूलर मतलब PHP आर्टिसन शेड्यूल है और शेड्यूल का एक फंक्शन है यहाँ पे ये शेड्यूल बस जैसे यू आर रनिंग जॉब्स इन सीक्रेट है ना सेम जॉब वही है शेड्यूल का जो फंक्शन का नाम है जैसे वहाँ पे शिपिंग अच्छा 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 just like in secret here you are running PHP artisan shipping
वो कमांड्स लिख दो पहले।
वो कमांड नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ये कमांड ही यही बोल रहा है उसको करने के लिए ये PHP आर्टिसन शेड्यूल ही कमांड है यही सर्वर यही रात में हमेशा PHP आर्टिसन शेड्यूल फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड फॉर दिस फोल्डर में जाके क्योंकि इंडेक्स अंदर है ना स्लैश प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर डालते हैं हम लोग उसमें जाके PHP आर्टिसन शेड्यूल कमांड इज रनिंग और फिर यहाँ पे ये वाला फंक्शन रन होता है हर रात में 12 बजे ओके I'll show you the code base again if necessary ठीक है this is the compliances part next is we were in the document search document नहीं हाँ नहीं okay let's where were we हाँ we saw document verification we saw compliances now this assigned document assigned documents receiver type receiver name why were we अच्छा ठीक है हाँ now he wanted this document to send to someone let's say there's a person third party person who wants this document to be seen so we can't send this document directly to him so for assigning basically you are creating a receiver panel में you'll create a receiver like Ashutosh you will give the basic details Ashutosh has his email ID his phone number because this document will be as a link will be shared to the client will be to you which will be valid for 48 hours okay I'll try to send one to you I have Raviraj Ladda okay I can try that on so add receiver basic details main is email ID and receiver type is nothing but in the configuration there are three things receiver type you can create that receiver type from here and that only document that drop down is coming okay so to send the document as an email in that case we will be assigning a document who is me I'm test assign document test I hope this will work document assigned successfully currently we are using the the current cpanel smtp one the free one because uh, we don't use this much this enough oftenly that's why we are using the free one okay I think this you have to set up this also email while configuration in the client server you have to look into this also so I got an email you have requested to access a document provided by Shri Hobilamat. OTP has been generated. This OTP's time is key sensitive and valid time sensitive, valid for 48 hours. So, मेरा database में when you are assigning a document, I am also storing the timestamp at what time I have sent you because after 48 hours this OTP is not gonna serve. So this is 5907. Now verify and access document. You'll enter the OTP.
How is URL? Okay. What is
वहाँ पे लिंक दिया हुआ है ना verify and access document.
वो कैसे जनरेट होता है?
It is nothing but villa.corzat. This is a the route which has not been authenticated in web.php. सेपरेट से दिया हुआ है।
टोकन
हाँ ये टोकन, लेट मी सी व्हाट इज दिस टोकन। टोकन है ये, आई थिंक दिस टोकन इज रैंडम just for the security purpose. um assign documents, document assignments. Yeah, this access token. While assigning a document, I am generating an access token with a timestamp. Okay. वही है, for the password में जो hash URL we generate, we are using the same. So what was the OTP? 59.
हो गया सर।
हाँ बस ये हल। So there is no document currently, so the same document is being shown here. Okay, and this is valid only for 48 hours. The client can download it, no problem. It's there, and they have only told they can download the document. So right click, you can download. That's it. So this was the receiver side. The assigned document is success.